Hey everyone, this is Cody with SpryLyfe Medical, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Oxlife Independence. First off, we're going to show you what comes included in the Oxlife Independence package. The accessory bag. Your user manual, the battery pack, the power supply, attachment for the AC power supply, attachment for the DC power supply, the fire-safe cannula valve, and of course, the Oxlife Independence machine. Now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to start the Oxlife Independence for your first time use. It does come pretty much fully assembled with a custom carry cart attached to the machine, so no need to take it on and off. If you press the button in right here, then you can pull the lever up. It'll lock in place. Press that button back in, you can pull the lever down. The battery will go into the back of the machine. So right here, you'll just slide it in. And then you do have another battery slot if you want to get an extra battery. Cannula will attach right there. And you're all set and good to go. Alright, and to start off, I'm going to show you how to power on and operate the Oxlife Independence. So first things first, we just press the power button, hold it down for a second. The machine's screen will flash red and show you the nice O2 Concepts logo. You have your battery indicator on there, if you are on pulse flow or on continuous flow, and then of course your settings. So you can press this M button to switch between continuous and pulse, or the up or down button to move up in flow setting or down in flow setting. And then to power off, you simply hold the power button again. And the dimensions for the Oxlife Independence are 20.2 inches high, 8 inches deep, and 10.9 inches wide. The Oxlife Independence comes in at 19.4 pounds. It does have a pulse flow setting of 1 up to 6, as well as a continuous flow setting of 0.5 up to 2. If you have one battery on a setting of 2 on pulse flow, it will last about 3 hours away from the car or the wall charger. If you do have 2 batteries, it comes in just under 6 hours on that setting of 2. And then if you want to switch over to continuous flow, on that same setting of 2 on continuous with 1 battery, it'll last a little bit over an hour. And then of course if you have 2, about 2.5 hours away from that car or wall charger. Nice part about the Oxlife Independence, it is CPAP and BiPAP compatible. So if you are going to be traveling, you use a CPAP at night, you can plug this into the wall, connect it with your CPAP, and you're all set and good to go. If you'd like more information on the Oxlife Independence or any comparable models, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, as well as that bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload any new videos. And most importantly, if you'd like to purchase the Oxlife Independence or any other portable oxygen concentrator, you can go to SpryLyfe.com or call the number below so you can speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone to help you out.